Hello everyone. Today, today we'll be learning how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench on a Windows 10 machine. So SQL is one of the biggest skill that is required on the for data analysis. So we'll go on Chrome and search for MySQL. Then we'll click on the first link of mysql.com. Then we'll go for downloads and click for the download button. Then over there we'll go down and search for MySQL community GPL downloads. And then we'll click for MySQL Windows installer and we'll download the first Windows x86 32-bit installer. It's a web version of downloading. Then we'll click for no thanks, just start my download. Once the installer is downloaded, then we'll click on installer. Then it will ask for the prompt. We'll click for the yes. Then it will again ask for another approval and we'll click for the yes. Then MySQL installer will get launched. Then you'll have multiple options to install: server only, client only, full and custom. So right now we'll be selecting only custom. So now we have now come to the product page. Over here we'll select for the latest MySQL server. So right now my machine is a 64-bit machine, so I'll be selecting for the MySQL 8.0.41 64-bit version. Then we'll go for applications, MySQL Workbench. In MySQL Workbench, we'll also select again a latest version, that will be again the 64-bit version. MySQL shell. Then we'll click for the next. Then it will ask for downloads. We'll execute. It will start download, and it depends on how your internet speed is. So all the three got downloaded. Then we'll click for next. So now we'll be came to the installation page. When we click for the execute, it will start installing one by one. Let's wait for the installation gets completed. It will take some time for installation. installation has been completed. So we'll click for the next button. Then it's a product configuration. We'll click again next. Over here we'll be able to see that what are the ports for the MySQL. This is a 3306 and another is a 33060. We'll click next. We'll be using the strong password and encryption and authentication method. Put a password over here. Note the whatever you're putting the password here right now will be your root password, which is by default will be required on every for while using a root user. We'll click on next. Then we'll click again for the next. So over here there is an option got selected by default, start my SQL server at system startup. So you can either uncheck this, so it won't be in starting MySQL whenever your system gets started. Currently right now though I'll be installing it, keeping it as by default, and we'll go for next. Yes, grant full access for running in. So we'll start now for configuration. Yeah. Over here it will take some time while for configuration of the MySQL server. So we'll click on finish. Next. And configuration has been completed. So we'll go on this search for MySQL workbench. It launch. So you'll be able to see the MySQL instant connection. So it will ask for the password which we have stored while creating the root user. It will get configured. So this is how a MySQL workbench look like. We'll go for the default schema right now. System. So this is how a MySQL workbench look like. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe.